Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable DND mode on Realme mobile. Friends, you want to enable DND mode. So how to enable and use DND mode today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting to enable DND mode. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type of interface of how to enable DND mode. Friends, click on sound and vibration setting. After on guys sound and vibration, friends, you can see phone vibrate setting, vibrate on ring, vibrate on silent, silent mode. Friends, you want to enable, you can enable your silent mode. After enable guys, your phone ringtone and notification ringtone will off automatic. So we will disable. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on do not disturb. We will tap here. Friends, you can see do not disturb. First friends, you can see do not disturb notification. Your phone will not ring or vibrate except for alarm and timer. The status bar will show a moon icon when do not disturb is on. So when you will enable, you will on a do not disturb, friends, status bar will show moon icon, and when your phone will not ring or vibrate except your alarm and timers. So friends, we can enable do not disturb, and friends, we can use it. So guys, as I told you friends, when we will enable, we will on do not disturb. Friends, moon icon will show on status bar, and friends, you have this moon icon, and friends, you want to remove, so you will have to disable your do not disturb. And friends, how to disable? Guys, click on search option do, and guys, not disturb. Friends, you can see do not disturb. Friends, we will click here. Friends, you can see do not disturb setting direct. Friends, we can disable. And friends, you can see schedule option. Friends, you want to schedule your do not disturb time, so you can schedule. So that's it again. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, you can see after disable, moon icon will remove on screen. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.